Mastering phrasal verbs, twins with a twist. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of phrasal verbs. Specifically, we will be looking at phrasal verbs with similar meanings and exploring how to use them in sentences. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Firstly, let's understand what phrasal verbs are. They're a type of verb that is created by combining a basic verb with a preposition or an adverb, or both. For example, turn up is a phrasal verb made of the verb turn and the preposition up. The interesting thing is, the meaning of a phrasal verb might not be directly related to the meaning of its components. That's why they can be quite challenging to learn, but also fun. Now that we know what phrasal verbs are, let's focus on similar phrasal verbs. These are phrasal verbs that have closely related or interchangeable meanings. For example, call off and cancel out both mean to stop something from happening. By learning these similar phrasal verbs, we can expand our vocabulary and make our English more versatile and fluent. Understanding a phrasal verb is one thing, but knowing how to use it in a sentence is another. This is where we really start to see the magic of English language learning. For instance, take the phrasal verbs turn up and show up. Both can mean to arrive somewhere. However, they're used a bit differently. We would say, he didn't turn up for the meeting, or she didn't show up at the party. Notice that for follows turn up when referring to an event, while at is used with show up. Here's another example. Look into and investigate. Both mean to try to discover the facts about something. You might say, the police will look into the matter, or the authorities are investigating the incident. Practicing using these in sentences is the key to mastering them. Now let's move on to some challenges. Here are some sentences with missing phrasal verbs. Try to fill them in with the correct phrasal verbs we learned today. 1. I'll underscore the situation and get back to you. 2. She didn't underscore to her own birthday party. These exercises will help reinforce what you've learned and make it stick in your memory. And that's it for today's video on phrasal verbs with similar meanings. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these tricky but essential parts of English. Keep practicing and you'll find that you're using these phrasal verbs naturally in no time. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!